How to change a washer in a dripping bib or pillar tap. Hello and welcome to VideoJug. The following steps will explain how to change a washer in a traditional bib or pillar tap. Step 1. You will need a suitably sized or adjustable spanner, a flathead screwdriver, a wrench. You may also need some wire wool, a soft cloth, some rubber washers, and a knife with a thin blade. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Before you begin, make sure you turn off the water supply to the tap you are working on. This may mean turning off the water at the mains tap for your house. This is usually located under or near your kitchen sink. If working on a hot tap, you may need to locate the hot water tank and turn off the supply from there. Now check that the water is off by turning on your tap. Very little water should come out. When you are sure that the mains are off, turn the tap fully on to drain it of any excess water. Step 3. Unscrew the headgear nut. Before you begin, it's a good idea to tape your wrench or spanner to avoid damaging the tap's chrome finish. Use your suitably sized spanner or wrench to unscrew the headgear nut. Handy hint: if the headgear nut's too stiff, try placing a suitably sized spanner over the nut that holds the tap in place underneath the sink. Locking the other spanner tight as you unscrew the headgear will hold the tap in place and provide leverage. Step 4. Remove the stem of the tap. Once you've unscrewed the nut, remove the entire top assembly of the tap. This is known as the stem. Right at the bottom of the stem is the rubber washer. Remove it by pushing it off with your fingers. If this proves difficult, try easing it off with the end of your screwdriver. Step 5. Clean the tap stem. It's a good idea to use this opportunity to clean the tap stem with the steel wool. Once you have done this, remove any remaining debris with a soft cloth. This will ensure that the washer has a closer fit with the tap and is therefore less likely to leak. Step 6. Reassemble the tap. Place the new washer onto the stem. Replace the stem and screw in the headgear nut. Enjoy your new drip-free life. Done.